In module 4 we discuss about the rock cycle. How the rocks are forming from one form of the rock to another form. Igneous to sedimentary. Again igneous, sedimentary to metamorphic. From the metamorphic igneous rocks in a cyclic manner and they are interrelated. We discuss in the module 4. I gave the task of the day also. No? Draw the diagram. I hope you did. Now we will go to the module 5. Today module 5. So here we will see the importance of the rocks. Importance of the rocks and the minerals. How they are using. Daily in our life we don't know that are the rocks or that are the minerals. But we are using n number of minerals and rocks in our daily life. Why we have to learn this topic, uses of rocks and minerals? Why? Because it is very important. If the minerals are not there, we cannot survive. Okay, you have to store for the future generation by using optimum. How it is? We will discuss in the module 5. Today we will discuss this one. See, today our topic is uses of rocks and minerals. See, I brought few examples. This one is a mineral. This is the copper. Next one, see here. First all minerals I will show you. This also mineral made with the petroleum. This is the metal, copper, mineral. And this one you know, gold. This also mineral, metal. Next one graphite. Graphite is there in this graphite. That's also mineral. Okay. Next one, this one is there no chalk. It will come under the rock. Next one, see here, soil I brought. Yesterday in the previous module I shown no soil. This is the soil particles. Okay, these rocks are there now. See here, this is the igneous rock. So this is the example for the sedimentary rock. From the sedimentary, see how the soil particles form. Soil is one mineral. Suppose the plants want to grow. Without soil, plants will grow? No. It requires soil to grow. Soil is one factor. Fertile soil is one factor to grow the crops. So here, how the rocks and minerals is daily in our life. What are the uses we will discuss in detail. Okay. See here, I brought this matchbox also. We are using in the house now. Here one type of mineral is there. Here, this is the phosphate. And here see, with the stick this is there now. This is the sulfur. First we will see the uses of rocks. Then later we will discuss the uses of the minerals. Now see here rocks I shown you. Here this is the granite. Where they will use this granite? Mostly these rocks are used in the construction field. Means construction of the laying the roads, construction of the buildings, construction of the dam. Why they will use these rocks only? They will give the strongness to the building. Granite. Okay, so here we can in our house also we can see the flooring with the marble. No? Kitchen platform is the granite. So different types of rocks in our house only we are using. And the red pot you know no? Red pot is made with the red stone. And in Agra Taj Mahal is there no? Taj Mahal made with the marble. Okay. And in Hyderabad Birla temple is there. That also made with the marble. Okay. Now see here. This small stones are there no? Gravel. Where they will use? This also in the concrete. Concrete means what? They will mix. This is the soil particles. This soil we can use to grow the crops in the fertile soil. And this soil also used in the construction. How they will use this in the construction? To build the walls. Walls are there no? Here. These walls made with this soil. Means bricks also is there. Soil, cement, all materials they will use. Now see here concrete, this is sand, and this is small gravel and cement they will mix. So it will give the hardness to the concrete. So rocks, now you understand where we are using the rocks, mainly where we are using in the construction. Mostly rocks we are using in the construction, laying the roads, otherwise hard constructions we use the rocks. Okay, now we come to the minerals. Where we use the minerals? Without mineral we can't survive daily. Suppose we are eating delicious food now. Our mother is preparing delicious food now. How it is possible? Because of the salt. Salt also one mineral. Did you know salt also one mineral? So here it gives the taste to the food. Salt is using not only for the taste of the food, to preserve the food also. For long time to preserve the food, you will eat potato chips now. How they are preserving long time? They will add the salt, preservative. Okay. So here minerals, so many minerals are there. Suppose we are taking the medicine, lack of the iron. What tablet we will take? Iron tablet. Iron is one mineral. Okay. We are using in the house this copper, no? Copper. Okay. We can use for cooking purpose also. So many vessels we are using. What is the use of this copper mineral? It is good for the health. Olden days they use the copper only. Okay, copper made coins are there, and utensils in the house is there. Okay, and the weapons they are using in the electricity also. Wires, pipes, this all made with the copper because it is a good conductor of the electricity heat. And so many minerals are there. So many minerals are there. So the minerals are using in the here also in agriculture field also the minerals are using. How they are using the minerals in agriculture field? Fertilizers, artificial fertilizer. Here what is the artificial fertilizer? Suppose manure is there, cow dung is the natural manure, decayed leaves, these are the natural manure. We are using the artificial fertilizer to give the more grains. To produce more grains we are giving the artificial fertilizer. Example, nitrate, phosphate, sulfur, these are the artificial minerals. Okay, we are using the fertilizers in the agriculture. Okay, and medicine also, in chemical industries also. Chemical industries also they will use these minerals, and iron and steel industry. So iron is a mineral, means it is a metal. So in 8th class in detail we will learn about the minerals. So here what is a rock means it is a minerals come together, collect together. Mineral particles collect together and form a big rock. Okay, so the rock contain the minerals. Where we can get the rocks or minerals? Rocks means we discussed this whole lesson rocks only, no? So they are available above the surface of earth or below the. Then where the minerals are available? So minerals are available. Some minerals only available above. Salt is there. Ocean water. By using the ocean water, we are preparing the salt. But iron, otherwise copper, gold, it is not easily available surface of the earth. We have to go too much deep inside the earth to take the minerals. These minerals are in the rock form. These minerals are in the rock form. So this rock contains 2 or 3 minerals together. To take out these minerals, we are breaking the rocks. Taking out the minerals from the rock is called mining. In the next class, 8th class, we will study about the minerals in detail. So once again we will recap what we studied here, what you discussed now. So we discussed the uses of rocks and the minerals. Where the rocks are using, where the minerals are using. So why it is important? Already beginning only I told. We have to save for the future generation. Why we have to save the future generation? Suppose from this big rock, the soil particles. This is there, no. Sand particles. It takes million years to form. If you are polluting the soil, okay, if you are polluting the soil, we cannot get it back again. We cannot get the food again. Okay, crops will not grow. If you pollute the soil, crops will not grow. So you have to carefully use the minerals, our resources. These are the resources. Resources means which are useful to us. They are called the resources. This all come rocks, minerals, this all resources only. So we have to use carefully. That is called sustainable development. That is called sustainable development. Why we have to use carefully? Because it takes million years to form. Nowadays the usage is increased than the formation. Usage increased than the formation. That's why if we overuse this one, then the future generation, our future generation, they will not get the mineral to use it. Suppose you take the example of petroleum, otherwise coal. So what is available we are using all in this now only, then what about the future generation? how they will satisfy their needs. For that purpose, it take the formation million years. It is not possible. So for that, what we have to do? We have to use carefully for us, and we have to store for the future generation without the wasting. Okay. Today task of the day is, so how to save the minerals by using only, how we will save. Suppose I am giving the one example. We are in the school. We are there. We are going to the playground. We have to switch off all the lights and fans. This is one saving only. In house also we have to save. And suppose water is there. Water also not mineral only. We are overusing and opening the tap. So here earlier in the history we studied about the wars for wealth, for money or temples to destroy they are going. But in the future generation we see war for the water. Okay, so here we have to save the water also. How you save the water? By using minimum water. You have to prepare the list. What things we can save without wasting? How to save? Reuse, recycle, these methods are there. How we will use these methods? For which one we will use these methods? You can write in a clear manner. That is the task of the day. Thank you, children.